Hi guys, I got 30 subscribers. I'm not in my room. I'm here on my terrace जहाँ पे आजू-बाजू के पड़ोसी देख सकते हैं. I, coming out of my comfort zone, conducted a canvas workshop जहाँ पे I was the center of a public event. I used to only visit events, but I never conducted such of an event. So this is completely out of my comfort zone to conduct. And I will tell you, due to COVID, I guess we all were so much into being in ourselves, in our comfort zone. You can start very small, that is, say yes. You want to try something new, food that you never tried, that is not who you try this kind of food, or maybe you're going to a different place जहाँ पे आप कभी नहीं गए, या फिर आप नए स्ट्रेंजर से मिलने वाले हो. Those things which give you good vibes, which give you good thoughts, जो आपको लगे कि yeah, I can try this. Not to say yes to those things जो जो आपको लगे कि नहीं, this is not good for me, this is not giving me good vibes. Yes, face it or run away. And I, most of the times, ran away, not facing it. When I conducted this workshop, when people started coming in, यूजुअली ऐसा होता है कि आप कहीं भी जाओ, यू फाइंड योर काइंड ऑफ पीपल विद इन 5-10 minutes एंड लाइक यू जेल अप. बट हियर इट वॉज माई वर्कशॉप, all were strangers. So what I did was, I did a very good thing. I, like anyone could do that, is I took my phone, मैंने लिया and I started acting कि मैं किसी से बात कर रही हूँ, like हाँ hello yes coming coming, oh you don't get the location, I'm coming coming. And I walked out of the room, and I took 10 minutes I waited there, like what. But then I thought, I'm already here, so I have to accept the situation where I. So it's like I asked, why are you running away? You always wanted to do this, you always wanted to be here. So it's like from why I switched to, oh great, you have the privilege to be here, you have the privilege to conduct this kind of workshop. It really changes the perspective and the fear or the hesitation that we have. So once you accept the situation, next is you have to do the best out of that situation. Now you're already here, you can't escape. Now you have to think that what best can I do, or what best can I give in this situation. So relating to my workshop, the best I could do was go inside, speak to everyone, make everyone comfortable, start step by step slowly, uh, set up the things, ask if they require anything, or start guiding them that this is, you have to paint, this is the theme, how good you are at painting, and whatever they ask questions, reply to them very calmly. And then slowly it got executed how I had thought that I could do the best in my situation. And I felt so good, so positive. It usually happens. You also observe it to yourself that when you execute without overthinking and you give it a try, and when it's finished, when it's good for you, you feel so good that, and you literally thank yourself that, glad Kirti, you did it. You have to be very positive, because if you are positive people will find you, or you will find positive things around you, because यूनिवर्स को एनर्जी समझ आती है. इफ आपका पॉजिटिव एनर्जी है, आपको पॉजिटिव थिंग्स ही आएंगे. दैट इफ यू पॉजिटिव, हाउ गुड थिंग्स हैपन टू यू. अगर मेरा एग्जांपल ले ले, in the workshop, when people came, they didn't recognize me. They're like, hi, you're Kirti, you have a business called October Bliss where you sell these products. I'm like, yes, you know them, you know me. I was so happy. It's like, this is how you get positive things around you when you are being positive. Uh, but you have to be very patient. Take it very slow. You have to give time to yourself. खुद को time दो. So when I went, I started setting up slowly. फिर attending one member each. Like to speak here, you gain confidence. Then you're excited to go to another person and speak. Fine. I liked it. It gave me good vibes. It gave me good thoughts. Okay, so next time we'll try similar to this. I usually do this every time. I do a small talk. I have nothing to lose. You will gain an experience itself. You have to challenge yourself. Like, it's fine, nothing to lose. I'll just try something. You have to challenge yourself. In the workshop, वहाँ पे painters भी आए थे, which are not beginners. So I was like, there are so many big people, and how will I do that? Because it's your workshop and you have to do it. And I did that, and I did gain confidence. खुद को कम नहीं समझना है. Main I'm trying to tell is खुद को कम नहीं समझना है. We all are equals. We all have unique talents. It's like once you get confidence, shoes पहनो और दौड़ते चलो. This is for you to get all these feelings. You have to try. It's like try. You never know what might be the best for you. Maybe it's out of your comfort zone. Reflect back at what you tried or what did you do just not which is not your comfort zone. Do you feel good? Did you have positive thoughts? Did you learn something? Did you feel happy? Do you feel more challenging that yes, I want to do it next time as well? Don't pressurize yourself to do all these things. So this is how you come out of your comfort zone, and I always use these stages when I am doing something new. And I did use this for my workshop as well. And it was very successful because I tried, because I believed in myself. खुद को कम नहीं समझा. Now I should go back because it's raining. Because I was out of my comfort zone. I have to go in my comfort zone now. Bye. And if you like more, if you can relate to me, relate to these situations, do subscribe. Do let me know in the comments, please. See you in the next video coming soon.